Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I wanted to go ahead and bust out one of my Morphe palettes that I've had laying around in my collection forever and I never actually used it. This is my Morphe 3502 palette. And just in case you're not familiar with the Morphe 3502, these are the colors in this palette. So it's gorgeous reds, oranges, browns, some really pretty shimmer shadows. There's also a really nice deep black shade in here. So I just decided, you know what, it's fall. I'm in the mood for like a red smoky eye. So let me just go ahead and bust this out and see if I like it. So this is the palette that I used to create this look today. I don't think I'm actually going to do a whole talk through and everything for this look because I used a lot of my regular face products that I use on a daily basis or that you've seen me use quite often in my makeup videos. One thing I did use today that I haven't used in a while is my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. And I'm actually kind of feeling it. I hadn't used it in a while and I said, you know what? I don't even remember if I like it or not, but I actually do like this foundation. Now I'm in the shade Nutmeg, just in case you're curious or you feel like you're kind of similar to my foundation shade. So I use Nutmeg in this foundation. It is very matte, so if you don't like a matte foundation you won't like this, but I like it. And LA Girl, you know, this is extremely affordable. I did also use my LA Girl Pro face powder today, and in this I'm actually the color Warm Caramel. So yeah, I have the shade Warm Caramel for the face powder. I also used my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette today. So I hadn't used her for a while. So I went ahead and busted her out, used her again. But basically I used my normal products. So I think I'm just going to go ahead, jump right in to this look, add a little bit of relaxing music for your enjoyment. And I hope you stick around to check out how I created this bright red smoky eye today. Oh, and I also used my Fenty Stunna lip paint, and I hadn't used this in quite a while either, so I just went ahead and busted this out for this look today. So if you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.